Question. The spread of a highly contagious virus in a college dorm is described by this logistic function. So we know that logistic functions, they look like S curves like that, right? So we know, and their upper bound, they don't go, they don't grow past a upper bound. So they only grow to a certain value, and that value is the numerator. And we'll come back to that in a minute. All right, so let's turn our page, and we want to figure out how many students had the disease when it was first discovered on day 1. So that means we need to plug 1 into our function. So our function is 500 over 1 plus 450 e to the negative 0.7 x. And that's our function. And we're going to replace x with 1. So here we go. So 500 divided by, open parentheses, 1 plus 450 times e to the negative 0.7, close parentheses, enter. And we're going to round it to the nearest whole number. So 2 people had the disease on day 1. All right, now what is the maximum number of people that could be infected by the virus? That's easy, it's just that many. And think about it, it makes sense, right? Because there's only a certain number of people in a dorm, so it can't keep growing forever. Once everyone gets the disease, they've all got it, right? And there'll be some people that, like, you know, lock themselves up in their room and won't get it. So that so probably, you know, the dorm probably has more people than 500 in it. So are you good? And that, my friends, is how you do a practice test.